My Like and Bias saw me like this.
It's okay.
Okay, so Lycan came to India and I went from Pune to Bangalore to see Lycan. Like I've mentioned it a few times before. But the worst thing that I did in the concert was my makeup. And do not even try to tell me it was okay. It was not. I know it. I literally looked like Valak. So this is what keeps me up at night. So I'm gonna come here and make you guys my scapegoats and unload everything on you. And let me break down what happened. So the concert was supposed to start at 6-ish and we took a photo op and we were like, kitna hi time lagega? It's just a photo. We thought the concert and the photo op would be starting at 4 o'clock. So we took a 6 baje ka flight so that we will land around 9:30-ish because we are very smart. But the photo was supposed to start at 3:30, which in our defense we got to know after we booked the ticket, so it's not my fault. So 15 सुबह 6 baje ka flight hai and 14 रात को we decide to go to our friend's house so that we can leave together in the morning for the flight. But then हम करने लगे बकचोदी. We did like nails, we did manifestations at the concert, we did delusions, and we slept around 4 and we were supposed to leave at 4:30 for the airport. Anyways, we took the flight, we landed around 9 o'clock, 10ish, and then reached the hotel at 10:45. But the hotel receptionist says that you will not get your room till 2 o'clock because that's their checkup timing. 3 concert going girls. Think about what that did to us. Now think about this. The photo was 3:45, 3:30, so we had to leave by 2:15 from the hotel to reach there in time. How is that possible? How is that possible? So at this point, we literally begged the girl that please give us a room. We have a concert to go, please. So she searched for like an hour. I was honestly pissing my pants at that point. We were like कि नहीं होगा, नहीं मिलेगा room. We will like fuck up the concert. We are not gonna make it. गए पैसे waste, पानी में गया सब कुछ. Mind you, we are still running on 1 hour sleep. Every person that was checking out, we were like कि he checked out, मतलब room खाली होगा. Do you have a room? Do you have a room? And she was like, no ma'am, we have to clean it. No ma'am. But after like an hour of searching, she got one room finally, and she was like an angel. She descended on us and she was like, yes, a room is available, and we ran. At this point, I was literally about to start my makeup in the lobby because I am a person who takes a lot of time to get ready. So we went to the rooms and did what? More delusions, more anxiety, because apparently we were going on our first dates and we were gonna do something stupid and they were gonna remember us. We eventually did something stupid, but that's not the point. And then we rested like for half an hour because we got a room at 12:15, which was better than 2 o'clock. And that's where my doom started. So I had this crazy under eye situation going on because I had no sleep the previous day. So I brought a color corrector, which I did not get to use because jaldi तैयार होना था. But I was like, fuck it. That is not gonna see it. He's not gonna notice it. So I put on my foundation jaldi. By the way, Tear foundation, amazing. It almost literally covered everything, but I had chill, so I had to put concealer on it. So I did get a new concealer just for my under eyes, since I saw a lot of MUAs talking about lighter shade of concealer under your eye and like brighten it. I don't know what my brain worked and what color I saw, but I bought like too light of a concealer. So this is the concealer I bought for like under eye brightening effect by the MUAs because I watched too many videos of them. But what is this color? This is the why would I do this to myself? Anyways, like the product is good, but the shade, I thought if I mix it and use it, no one is gonna notice. That is also okay. If I use it in like a small amount, it would still look okay. But the light in the room was very warm, so I could not figure out it was too light on me, and I kept on applying, and I couldn't figure out that I was looking like Valak. And it is all because I saw MUA saying that it should be lighter under your eyes so that it will contour and stuff. उनकी गलती नहीं है, मेरी गलती है. I know it, but do not even get me started about the eyeshadows. I again saw some videos online that if you have hooded eyes, you should start like a little up and all of that. So you should start around here since you have hooded eyes and no one can see your eyeshadow. Girl, I wish no one saw my eyeshadow. I did not consider the fact that I freshly gotten my eyebrows done, so there was a lot of space to fill. So I kept on going with eyeshadow and it came around here. And I literally looked ridiculous.
Oh, stress!
Literally, how did I survive in public with that? Anyways, we leave for the concert and half my accessories are still in my bag and in my pockets. So in the cab, I'm making my hair. My accessories गिर रहे हैं. I'm still putting them on and trying not to have a mental breakdown because we were going to see Lycan for the first time. We reached the concert, okay? I am still wearing my accessories. And as soon as I put my feet inside that venue, the organizers are like, let's do a photo op. And mind you, I was traveling in an AC cab and I stood in the sun for like 10 or 15 minutes max. There was no way my makeup had melted off. Kids, let me tell you why trauma is a bad thing. I literally had trauma of looking like a panda-eyed person in photos because of the lighting. But I was like, what if magically the concealer had fallen off of my under eyes? So I was like, no compromise at all. So when we were called on the stage for the photo, I was like, let's take the setting powder and like literally put it under our eyes to bake the shit out of it so that the under eyes don't show. Worst decision of my life. And Baki ka to, you know, I sat beside Nat for the photo and he saw that monstrosity up close. I can't even imagine. I might have really scared him this time. This is like certified my official new nightmare now. I think about this every night. But I really hope the photos turned out human at the least. Or I'm screwed. I'm screwed. In that case, I just need to go to Thailand and then take a picture with Nat. That is my last option if the photos do not turn out good. Pray for me in the comments. And moral of the story, kids, check your concealer colors before going in front of the love of your life.